So, I would like to dwell in more detail on the standard All the Thing You Are, in which I beat all the chords of this standard with one minor melodic scale. There is a small nuance here. You need to know the melodic minor in all keys and in all positions. Let's start. First chord F minor. Playing F minor melodic. Further B flat minor beat melodic B flat minor scale. The next chord is an E flat dominant 7th chord. Here I'm playing a melodic minor scale down from the root of the E flat dominant, that's D flat melodic minor. Why exactly? It's a diminished concept, and we'll cover it in the next video. It's a very broad topic, and we're not going to cover it in this video. So the next chord is A flat major. I beat F with a melodic minor, a parallel minor, forming a Lydian sound, as well as augmented. Then I play D flat major and play B flat melodic minor, also forming Lydian and augmented sounds. The next D is half diminished, using a melodic F minor, since this chord can be seen as a F minor with a 6th note. The G dominant 7th chord is played in a flat melodic. This is an altered sound. A melodic minor is played over C major, forming the same Lydian and augmented sound. Since a C major chord lasts 2 measures, it is appropriate to connect it with its dominant, that is, with the G chord. In the first bar, 2 beats of I minor melodic for C major. The next 3 and 4 beats of this bar I flat melodic minor for G dominant. The next one, so we return to C major into the scale of I melodic minor, and also only 2 beats, because the next 2 beats we will also play the A flat melodic scale. To enter the next chord. This chord will be C minor. We will play C minor melodic. Next, the F minor chord. We play the melodic F minor.
B flat dominant, play A flat minor melodic. On the chord E flat major we play C melodic minor.
A flat major we play F minor melodic. And so, then we move on to another key, namely, to the second degree of the key in G major. This is an I minor chord, and let's play a melodic scale in A minor. Now let's play D dominant in C melodic minor. And move on to E melodic minor, which we will play for G major. There are 2 measures left in G major. We need to give this static harmony more movement. We need a dominant to G major. This is a D dominant. In the first measure, the first 2 beats I am in E melodic minor. The next 2 beats, I shift down a half step to E flat melodic minor and play it for D dominant. In bar 2, the first 2 beats I'll go back to E melodic minor. Then the next beats 3 and 4 of bar 2 I'll move up a half step to F melodic minor. Why? The fact is that I will play the F melodic for the E dominant, which will precede the A minor chord. Yes, but you might argue that the next chord is F sharp half diminished. The fact is that the F sharp half diminished is identical to the A minor with the 6th note. And that is why I will play the F sharp half diminished A melodic minor. Next comes B dominant, and I'll play C melodic minor. which is essentially a B altered scale. E major I will play C sharp melodic minor, giving a Lydian and augmented sound. In the following C dominant I will play B flat melodic or stay in the same C sharp melodic minor, which is essentially equal to C altered scale. Let's move on to the familiar part. This chord is F minor playing F melodic minor. B flat minor playing B flat melodic minor. E flat dominant play D flat melodic minor. I flat major playing F melodic minor. Next, we play D flat major and B flat minor melodic. And then we come to a quick change of chords and, accordingly, beat each of them with the corresponding melodic minor. In the next measure, we will play two chords, each of which will last for 2 beats. D flat minor playing D flat melodic minor. The third and fourth beats of this measure will be the F sharp dominant chord. We play E melodic minor. That is, as you noticed, any dominant can be played in a melodic minor scale, which is located one tone down from the main note of this dominant. Next we have C minor and scale C melodic minor. The next chord is also interesting. It's a diminished B. I consider it as a B flat dominant with flat 9. And since this is a B flat dominant, I use the rule that I already spoke about. That is, I will play a melodic minor one tone lower from the B flat note. This is a flat melodic. Further, B flat minor I play B melodic minor. E flat dominant I play D flat melodic. a flat major F minor melodic. And here we also encounter a half-diminished G chord. And we will play melodic minor B flat. Since this is B flat minor with a sixth note. Then to the dominant, and here I will play the scale of the melodic minor, which is half a tone higher from the main note of the dominant C. That is, I will play the scale of D flat melodic minor. Well, we finish in F minor. Of course, this topic is quite complicated and it will be difficult for a beginner to figure it out. So I will record videos in which there will be small fragments of chords and ways to beat them. Hope this video was helpful. Ask questions in the comments. I will answer everyone. Bye.